Hello ladies and gentlemen, I've set myself up green screen because what I'm talking about today I want behind me as you can see it, and we're talking mental health issues. In the past, I don't know whether I did do videos a long time ago over it. I had 2 nervous breakdowns and I attempted hara-kiri, and if it wasn't for the people that were around me, I wouldn't have survived, right? And they pulled me through it. So I have every appreciation for people like that look after people that have had mental health, right? And if somebody comes to me and I know they've got mental health, I listen, and majority of the time, once they get it off their chest, then they're perfectly okay after. You don't realize how much it does relieve them just to be able to talk about it. You don't have to answer them. You never have to answer them, and you just got to listen to them. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I put a video up the other day. I can't remember what date it is. I'm looking at the computer to see what date it was, but it was 14 hours ago according to this, but of course it'll be more than you. So we're talking the 8th. It went up yesterday, the 8th. Yeah, because it's the 9th today. It's got to be yesterday, isn't it? Yep. So majority of you know I've had mental health problems, and and if anybody came to me with a mental health, I would help. And you don't have to help by doing anything. You've just got to listen. And I'll bring it up behind me, right? I don't know who Neil B6381 is. I think he has commented on my videos before, but you know, when you get so many, it just goes straight over the top, and you don't listen. You don't really take any notice. But I took a notice of this comment that he made, and it's on the screen behind me. Let's have a look. Birdie answered it. Well done, Birdie, for answering that, because I wasn't going to answer it, because I would have just lost my rag, and I haven't barred him or nothing. I think he should have the disgrace of it. Why are you always hanging around with that young lad with learning difficulties and social anxiety? He must be half your age. It's a bit weird. So what are you insinuating? Just because you got friends and they just happen to be male, does that make you the other way? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Right? And just because he hangs around, he doesn't just hang around with me. He's with us all. I tell you what, he is a much loved young lad, and everybody that I know help him. And that's, you know, you've only got to go by his own videos to know what that lad's like. He is trying. He is out of his shell, and he should not. But this Neil 6381, I just can't understand why you put that up, right? If there's any problem, right, with mental health, right, he gets help, right? But you're in desperate help to be learnt that what mental health is. It can't be anything physical, right? You've got this learning problem of not knowing what's going on. You don't see what's going on in the background. I think you're so wrong, and I've had enough of a whinge. This is only going to be a short video, but I just got to make this because there's so many people out there and so willing to show what's out, you know, how many people are out there, and I can name a few, right? And they're very, very close friends of mine, and there's nothing weird going on between us and them, right? So, you know, you just should think twice before you open that up and put your foot in it. So that's all I've got to say. Thanks everybody else for listening. It isn't intended for everybody else to listen. It's just the one. Cheers. Thanks very much. Bye bye.